Hi, Patty Stevens here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Computation Layer to sketch the graph from an input equation. So I'm going to open this activity and we'll take a look at the first slide. So on the first slide, it's pretty basic. I have a title, I have graph with a little computation layer in it, I have an input where the user will input a math equation, and I have some computation layer in there. So let's see how this works first. I'm going to preview. So it already has some latex started here. The user inputs an equation and it's instantly graphed. Okay, so let's take a look at how we used computation layer to create this. For my input, my computation layer here is just a little bit here to put some initial latex to prompt the user to input a function of x in the form y equals blank. So that's what we saw when we previewed the activity. My graph itself is pretty basic. It says y equals function of x. I called it f1, and that's it. And in my computation layer, this is where I have some CL that will pull the input and plop it into the graph. So the computation layer here says function f1 is going to be the latex from input 1. And there we have it. So when the user inputs a function of x, we get the graph. Hope that helps you create some activities of your own in Desmos Activity Builder.